Hello, welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub. If you remember that in our previous class we studied some questions and understand them, exercise 4A indices. So we have done I think till question number 5 all parts we have done I think. You can if I have misunderstanding, so you can refer to those previous classes and prefer if you want. So today we will start question number 6. Simplify. A part. All the concepts are those in which we have I have told to write and memorize those laws and rules of indices. So first part says h square k multiplied by h power 11 k power 9. So when the variables are multiplying, so we can add the powers. If I have told in previous classes also. So h 2 and the power 2 and the power 11 will be plus. So h power 13 multiplied by k power 10. This will be our answer. So moving on to second part, minus m power 7 n cube multiplied by 4 power m power 11 n power 9. So we will multiply 4 by 1. So minus 4m when the bases are same. So we can add the powers. So minus 4m power 18 n power 12. Moving on to third part. 11p power square 6 q power 7 multiplied by 2 p cube q power 10. So we can multiply 11 by 2, so get the result 22, and when the bases are same, so we can add those powers. 22 p power 11 q power 17. Moving on to fourth part, h power 9 cube k power 6 divided by h power 5 and k power 4. So when the bases are same, so we can add the powers h power 4 and k power square. So all the concepts are these. So moving on to second last part of this question, which says 15 m power 8 n power 7 divided by 3 m square n power 1. If there is no power in 1, so it means its power is always 1. So we can divide 15 by 3. We'll get the result 5 m, and when the bases are same. In division, we will subtract the powers if the bases are same. We subtract the powers, and in multiply when the bases are same, so we can add the powers. So 5 and 8 will subtracted by 2, so we get the result 5m power 6 n power 6. So moving on to last part of the question, which says minus 10 x power 5 y power 6 divided by minus 2 x y power 5. So we can divide minus 10 to minus 2, we will get the result. So minus will be cancelled out each other. So 5x and 5x power 5 and x power 1 will be subtracted. So we get the result 5x power 4 and y power 1. If there is no power in y, so it means the power is 1. So question number 7 says simplify. In simplify part A, it says that a square power cube multiplied by a power 5. So we can multiply the powers with brackets. So a power 6 multiplied by a power 5. So when the bases are same, so we can add those powers. So we get the result a power 11. Same in the next part, b cube, and the brackets will be multiplied will be brackets and multiply by b power 4 bracket 5. So brackets, the powers will be multiplied with the powers outside or internal powers. So b21 multiplied by b20. When the bases are same, so we will get the result b power 41. So moving on to second that part of the question, which says C6 power 5. So when the bracket powers will be multiplied with each other. So 3 power 30 divided by minus 3 minus c square. So when the bases are same in division, so we can subtract those powers by powers. So minus c power 28. Same as we will move on to fourth part, minus 3d cube bracket square divided by 2d cube. So the powers will be distributed to its coefficients and variables too. So the power square will be distributed to its coefficients and to its variables. So minus 3 square d cube bracket square divided by 2 cubed d cube. So 3 square is 9 d 6 power 6 divided by 8 d cube. So we can write it in fraction form if you want, or you can leave in this form also. So we can subtract the powers and division in the bases are same. So 9d cube upon 8. So same in the E part we will also do when the bases are same. So we can subtract the powers. So before subtracting powers, I forgot to that when the powers is outside of the whole bracket, so we will distribute it to its variables too. So e cube power 5 f square power 5 divided by minus e square power 4 f power 4. So e power 15 f power 10 divided by 8 e power 8 f power 4, because 5 3s are 15, brackets will be multiplied by brackets. So e power 7 and f power 6 will be our answer. Moving on to last part of this question, 4 k power 6 bracket cube divided by minus 2 k power cube bracket 3. So we will distribute the same method that we will apply over here, in that we apply the same method in previous questions. So 4 power cube will be 64, and k will multiply by so k powers will multiply the powers, so we'll get the result 64 k power 18 divided by when the power is in when the power is in um, what we say in positive or negative number, so we will remain this if the like I will give you example like 1 3 5 and 7 if the power, so the negative sign of the number will remain same, and if the positive if the power is in positive, so we will always change the negative number into positive. So minus 8k power 9